Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will explain how to install the TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Dimmer Switch, the 3-way version. This is Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Dimmer 3-way kit. Let's see what's in the box. 2 switches here. Wire nuts and screws. 2 faceplates. A quick start guide. And some stickers that we can use with the wires. These are 2 switches. One of them is the main switch and the other one is the satellite switch. The main switch goes on the line side and the satellite switch goes on the load side. Both the main switch and the satellite switch, they have the dimmer buttons, but the reset button and the restart button is only on the main switch. These buttons are not on the satellite switch. On the back side, the main switch has the neutral wire, this white wire, but the satellite switch doesn't have the neutral wire. There's no white wire here. I will install this switch over here. These are my stairs. I can turn the lights on or off from here, like this, or from upstairs. This is the other switch. I can turn the lights on or off from here. Now one of these switches is the main switch and the other one is satellite. The switch where we get the line, where the power comes in, is where we install the main switch, and the other one from where that light is connected is the satellite switch. I will turn off power from the circuit breaker, open these boxes, this one and the other one, and then find out which side is the main side and which one is the satellite side or the load side. Power is off. I turned on that video light. So let's open the first switch. This is the switch on which I will be working. The other one is just a single pole switch. I will have to remove this one also. With a non-contact voltage tester, I will make sure there is no power in the switch box. All good. Everything is safe. I can work on this switch box now. I just pulled out the white neutral wires out of the box. They are all tied together with this wire nut. This is the 3-way switch. This brass terminal is one of the travelers, ground here. On the other side, this black wire on the brass terminal is the second traveler. This black wire is the line wire, which is coming from this switch. I will leave this switch as is and go upstairs to remove the other switch. This is the 3-way switch upstairs. I will remove that now. So these are all my wires, 2 neutrals tied together with this wire nut. Black wire connected to the black terminal is the load wire going to the light. This black wire connected to brass terminal is one of the 2 travelers. On the other side, red wire connected to brass terminal is the second traveler. I will leave this switch like this, go downstairs and replace the main switch first with the new smart Wi-Fi switch. I'll start with the ground wire. Neutral wire is next. We can connect any of these traveler wires to any of these 2 terminals. Just slide the wire under the tab and tighten it. Same way here. Line wire gets connected to the line wire here. I will now gently push the wires into the box. I will now go and install the other one upstairs. I just removed these wires from the switch. This switch was not grounded. The ground wire from these wires is bonded to the metal box. I will use a pigtail from there. We can connect any of these 2 traveler wires to any of these 2 brass screws. Slide the wire under the tab and tighten the screw. This is my load wire and these 2 wires get connected together. Use a wire nut here. Push these wires inside the box. Connections are done for both switches, the satellite switch and the main switch downstairs. I will turn on power and check my connections. Power is back on. Hopefully you can see this circular indicator blinking orange and green. That means the switch is looking for a Wi-Fi signal. I can still test the functionality by pressing this button and the lights should turn on. On, off, on. Use any of these two buttons to change the brightness. There are small indicators on top of these two buttons which show the brightness level. Increase the brightness, decrease the brightness. I will turn it off from here and check upstairs. On, off, on, and brightness. Full brightness, lowest brightness. Here I can use this wall plate. All done. Let me turn on power again and check everything is still fine or not. This is the small indicator blinking orange and green. And here we have the brightness level indicator, these small LEDs here. Full brightness, low brightness, power off, power on. The next step is to set up and configure these Wi-Fi switches with the Kasa app on the phone. You will need to create an account with Kasa. Once that is done, launch the Kasa app, click Add Device, Smart Switches. Mine is Smart 3-Way Dimmer Switch, KS230 Kit. Have you already installed? Yes. If you click Not Yet, the app will walk you through the entire installation process. So I will click Yes. Look at the front of your main dimmer switch. Is the Wi-Fi light blinking orange and green? Yes. Now we will join the TP-Link. Go to your phone's settings and join your smart dimmer's Wi-Fi network. Go to Phone Settings, Wi-Fi, TP-Link Smart Dimmer. Now we go back to the Kasa app. The app is connecting to the smart dimmer. It will take some time. Now we choose a network. I will choose my home network. Here I will enter my home Wi-Fi password and then join. Now the app is trying to connect the smart dimmer switch to the home Wi-Fi network. Name the device. I can name the switches such as stairs and save. Choose an icon. This is just a light, so I will choose that and save. Location, living room or custom. Let's say custom. Basement stairs and save. Next, I can set my minimum brightness levels. That's the minimum light level. I'll keep it here. Test it. It's all good. Continue. Sounds good. Welcome to Smart Dimmers. You can have some tips here and get started. That is the light. This switch is on the back side. The other switch is upstairs. I can use my phone and turn the light off from here, on from here. I click here on the stairs. Here again I can turn the light on or off or on. And there are some preset dimmer levels, 50%, 75% or 100% brightness, 50% brightness. I can do that from this circle also. 49%, 12%, whatever I like. Go back, turn the light off, turn the light on, and that's all. That's all for today. I hope this video is helpful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, let me know why in the comments below. Links for this TP-Link Kasa Wi-Fi dimmer switch, the 3-way kit, and most of the tools that I use in my projects are given in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, please take care.